Happy Father's Day, Dad. Friendly short cover. Szczęśliwego dnia ojca, tatusiu, druga wersja. Pistol shots ring out in the bedroom nights. Enter Patty Valentine from the upper hall. She sees the bartender in a pool of blue. Cries out, "My God, they killed them all." Here comes the story of the hurricane. The man the authorities came to blame for something that he never done. Put in a prison cell, but one time he could be champion of the world. Here comes the story of the hurricane. Friendly greetings, sir, from Poland.